Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So today I'll be sharing with you how to pay your 0619E BIR form using MYEG payment system or payment portal. So first you have to go to this website myeg.ph and then mag-sign in ka lang. You need to create account here before you can pay. And then dito sa tab na Government Services, hanapin mo lang yung BIR Online Tax Payment. And then, pay taxes now. So, simple lang siya. For BIR payment, you have to put the amount na babayaran mo. And then, yung TIN number mo. Your branch code and your revenue district office. So, kailangan tama yung ilalagay mo dito para hindi ka maka-problem sa BIR or para hindi maiwasan natin yung penalty. Form series, since ang babayaran natin is 0619E, yung withholding expanded ng monthly, pag quarterly yung babayaran nyo, so using yung 1601EQ, ibang form naman siya or ibang series naman siya. So, ngayon, ang i-discuss lang natin o ang i-share ko lang sa inyo is using 0619E form series. So, punta ka lang dito sa 0600 series and then hanapin mo lang yung 0619E. 0619E. And then, automatic na nalalabas dito yung tax type, withholding expanded. And then, for the return period, kung ano yung babayaran mo or kung anong month yung babayaran mo. And then click next lang. You have to put the email address mo. I usually recommend yung email yung email na gagamitin nyo is naka-separate sa personal email mo para if ever na may kailangan kayong hanapin sa BIR, naka-separate siya or mas organize siya. And then, click next lang. Review yung pinil up mo, your taxpayer's identification number, your email address, your branch code. Sa branch code, kung halimbawa main yung babayaran mo, 000 lang yan. Pero kung halimbawa may branch kayo, kung anong branch yung babayaran nyo. So, halimbawa, branch 1, branch 2, branch 3. So, lalagay mo dito. Or kung ilan yung branch, sorry. Item description, so yan, kung ano yung form type, 0619E, tax type, withholding expanded, RDO code, and then the return period. And then confirm and pay. And then meron ditong option, it's either e-wallet or credit card. So kapag credit card, meron ditong service fee na babayaran. So, nasa 25 pesos at I'm not sure kung magkano yung babayaran mo dito. So, naka-specify naman dito kung magkano yung transaction fee. Pero kung halimbawa sa e-wallet like GCash or Shopee Pay, PayMaya or BIR, GrabPay, so i-click mo lang dyan kung ano yung e-wallet na gagamitin mo. So, for GCash, so since GCash ako magbabayad, click ko lang yung GCash, and then proceed. So, meron siyang transaction fee na 20 pesos. And then dito, ma-direct kayo sa GCash portal. Lagay mo lang yung number mo. And then, magsisend yan ng OTP. And then, click pay lang. And then, ayan na. So, complete payment na tayo or nakapagbayad na tayo ng BIR natin using MYEG. So, I hope nakatulong ito sa inyo. If you have question, you can comment down below para if may time ako, pwede ko siyang masagot. Thank you for watching.